Hello my lovely students, I hope you are well. Our lesson today is talking about the reproductive system. It's our third system in this unit. We talked about the circulatory system and the respiratory system, and today we'll talk about the reproductive system. Let's start. Okay, let's start. When we are children, then we become in a puberty stage. What is the puberty stage? The stage in our life where some of the changes mean that you are becoming an adult and will be able to reproduce. So that stage in your life where some of the changes mean what happened. There are some hormones in our body. The hormones in our body that make these changes happen. So there are hormones. These changes are caused by the chemicals in your body. And then it happened in the girls before the boys. It happened in girls at the age of 11 and boys at the age of 13. Okay, and the puberty doesn't happen at once. Don't happen at once. So it happened in stages. There are some stages that the child become in it, and then it become an adult. Okay. Okay, we talk about that the female or the girl become a puberty in the puberty stage before the boy. So let's talk about the changes that happen in the female. Okay, the changes that happen, your skin can become also get oily, the pimples during puberty, and then the hair begins to grow in the armpits and other parts of the body. We can grow up to 12 centimeter in a year. Okay, you can grow up to 12 centimeter in a year. The girl's head will become wider and she will start to develop their breasts. Her voice will become also little deeper. Let's talk about the puberty of the male or the boy. The boy can easily grow 10 centimeter in a year, and also the hair begins to grow in the face, armpits, and other parts of the body. His voice will become change and become deeper. The boy's shoulder and chest will get broader as his body muscle develop, and also her skin become oily. Most boys and girls become pimples during puberty, so that the oily skin happen in boys and girls. Okay. So let's talk about the changes that happen in the reproductive system. We talk about the puberty stage. There are some changes in the face, in the muscles, in the height. Okay, let's talk about the changes that happen in the reproductive system. Okay, there are also an important changes that take place inside the body of the boy and the girl during puberty that happen in the reproductive system. The main job of the reproductive system is to make a special cells called sex cells that are needed for the reproduction. In male, there are a sex cell called sperm, and female, there are a sex cell called eggs or ova. Okay, so eggs or ova, it's a plural, okay? But when we talk about one egg, is called an ovum, not an ova. So ova is a plural, not a singular, okay? Okay, during the reproduction, the sperm and the egg join together to form a new living organism. So we will grow into a baby, and this process is called fertilization. So what's fertilization? When the sperm and egg join together to form a new living being that will grow into a baby. After that, in the girl, there is a menstruation happen in the girls. The menstruation starts about a year after the puberty begins. So the puberty that the puberty changes happen, and then after 1 year the menstruation in girls. This is where our unfertilized egg is realized from the body together with the lining of the uterus. Uterus is a part in the reproductive system of the girl only, which causes some bleeding, so it's called menstruation in girls. Menstruation happen about once a month, but is often not regular until the girl is older. Okay, let's talk about the male reproductive system. This is the diagram of the male reproductive system. There is a small duct and testes and called penis. There is a small duct, sperm duct, sorry, and testes. There are two testes and penis. Okay, the male reproductive organ consists of the two testes, which produce the sperm, and two testes is it's a plural, but the one of them called testis. Okay, testis. Okay, the sperm duct, which calls the sperm to the penis. Okay, it's like a duct that transfers the sperm to the penis. Okay, what is the penis? The penis which transfers the sperm into the female body. Okay, transfer the sperm into female. So the male reproductive system consists of three parts: two testes and the sperm duct and the penis. Okay, let's talk about the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system, there are in organs. There are in ovaries, the uterus or womb, and oviduct, the birth control. Okay, there are four parts. Okay, the male four part and the female four parts. Okay, this is the ovary. Okay, it consists of two ovaries. This is the ovary and this another ovary. Okay, the ovaries which produce the ova or the egg. Okay, the uterus, this is the uterus where the menstruation or the menstruation cycle takes place. The uterus where the baby develops. So when we know baby, the menstruation cycle happen. The oviduct where the fertilization happen, okay, or take place. Okay, the birth control which receives the sperm from the mare through which the baby is born. Okay, the birth control happen at two processes in it, where we receive the sperm from the male and through which the baby is born. Okay, we finished our lesson today talking about the reproductive system. So we finished the three systems in our curriculum: the circulatory, respiratory, and reproductive system. Thanks a lot. If you need anything, please tell me.